This is going to be a very short video, so you can download this project for free in the link given in the description below. And this is a TicTacToe game. It has a PC version and a web version. And the source code as well. So you can just open the web version. It's just one file, trust me. And it's simple. But then, in case you're out of time, and you can try it out. Let's see.
Wow!
Oh, that's easy. I mean, it's supposed to be easy. That's a draw. Anyway, yeah, so this is the web version. And, okay. Oh, never mind. And then you can open the PC version just by opening the executable file, which is already there in the zip file. You might need a 7-zip software to open it, but a WinRAR will also do. It will take some time, and then it will load. The source code is provided here. Let's give it a try.
Wow!
Okay. I win, of course. I mean, it was easy. So draw again. So basically, that's it. Here are the project details. It will help you understand how it was done. It's a text file. And you can make modifications. You can do as you please, no problem. You can change colors. Thank you. I hope you like it.